Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fellow. Today we're going to be working on a crop top using some scrap fabric that I got. So here I was just using my dress to get the shape of the sleeve and the bodice literally, and that is how it came up. So I'm going to use like the outer box neckline. Like I was freestyling on this, so everything is just freestyling. I had to pin my lining and the main fabric so that the inside looks neat. And those are the straps. This is me just trying to set up and see how the top is going to look like, since I was not using a pattern and I was freestyling all the way. So now that I am satisfied with the sleeves, I went on to see if the ruffled, the gathers are going to make any sense on this top. After that, the first thing I did was to join the linings, both the front and the back, together on the sides. So go ahead and sew your sides on your sewing machine. Do the same with the main fabric. Also sew the sides. This is how it should look from the right side. Don't forget to press down your seams after you finish. Next, I went on to work with the straps. I just folded, stitched down, do the same for both, and turn them inside out and give them a good press. Put them aside. This is how your straps should look like after you're done with them. Put them aside and start working on the bodice again. So after I did that, I put my bodice together. Now they're not yet joined, and put the straps and pinned down the straps. When joining the bodice, just join the right sides facing each other. And sew all around the edges. This is how your top should look after joining. It looks neat from both sides, and top stitch your top so that the lining can lie flat. Now moving on to the ruffled part. This is an idea that I also saw someone doing using the pin. This was my first time doing this, and I would say it came out very well. The ruffles looked so good. After I was done with the ruffles, now going on to check if going on to attach the ruffles to the top. I've already ironed the bottom part of the top to just make sure that I'm feeding the ruffled part inside the top. And that's it. This is how the top looks, and these are all the fits from the top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.